Oh, thanks very much for this. You can just see Manchester spreading out into the distance there. So it's day 2. Oh, it's windy, very, very windy, which sadly means new venue for breakfast. Coffee on the go. Definitely not where I should be. And everyone's looking at me. It's a hike all the way up there. Even further, it's taken me hours. And I just come across this. I found it. Never thought bridleway looked so good. That's a hell of a hill to get up though. So at the top of this big hill here, found some mountain bike trails. Bit random, but good fun. So what's going on here? I feel a bit wrong. I want to be in my tent. As I walked straight in the pub, the locals built me a beer. Cheers. Morning. So, day 3. Sheep just stare at you like you're an absolute freak. Hi guys. Pause a while beside this monument and remember Mary, whose vision opened up once more these ancient roots so that you too can refresh your spirit as the wild and romantic terrain of the Pennine bridleway unfolds before you. Quarter to 6, I'm already in Gisborne. It's a small sign, but he's only Godin made it to Yorkshire. Woohoo! So, stats for today. Still haven't finished yet. It's 20 past 8, I've done 48 miles, 1,800 metres of climbing, and I've been on the bike for 11 hours. Coffee's on the go. Here's porridge, I've got some friends, come for tea. So it's official, in one day I've managed to cross the Yorkshire Dales. There's a sign, Welcome to Cumbria. I made it to Kirby Stevens. Day 5. Crossed the Yorkshire Dales yesterday. Today, the next battle is the North Pennines.
We're going to put some yellow slabs in the bottom, so what these without lambs out the way, so that
Yeah.
keep the mums better and stuff.
I've never heard of sheep before. Thanks for the experience. No, you Here's a map of England. That's where I started. And I'm now all the way up there. Day 5 I now think. So today, hacking along from Alston up to Hadrian's Wall. Just going to have a look at it, which should be quite a nice day out. The guy on the way at Chado recommended this Tyne trail which follows the railway until the railways have obviously abruptly stopped there. I believe I followed the path of it for quite a way, all the way to Holtwhistle, which apparently is the centre of England, so a couple of claims to fame along the way as well. Where's his bicycle gone? It seems such a shame to come past Hadrian's Wall and not walk a whole kind of section of it, which would be beautiful. Day 7, I believe. Bit of a relaxed day. Did a bit of walking around Hadrian's Wall yesterday after a bit of riding in the morning, so my legs feel a bit more rejuvenated would be the word. I finally found the Sandstone Way. So the other day I herded some sheep. Today, I mean herded by the sheep. At least around here, you can see if the weather's coming. The crazy weather continues. A little pool of sunshine in the middle. So it's not raining. It's hailing. Really hurts on the legs. So it's day 8. Woohoo! Day 9, the final day to get to Berwick, and there's the sea! So you could say, I've officially done it! I've reached the sea! It's a bit of a head when I'm pedalling into it. So if I wasn't tired enough, I got to Berwick I had one thing to prove. As I said, peaks to Scotland. And that bloody proves it. Oh, that's over 350 miles, over 11,500 metres climbing, 9 days, bit of off-roading fun.